Okay, hi Miss. So I'm going to present now my topic proposal that I'm going to do for the final project. The SDG that I chose is goal number 12, which is the responsible consumption and production. Basically, it's about decoupling economic growth from environmental degradation to promote a sustainable lifestyle, and it also contributed to the poverty alleviation and the transition towards a low carbon and green economy. So the aim of this SDG is to ensure a sustainable consumption and production pattern. And the problem statement is the worldwide consumption and production is highly unsustainable, which which bring a massive negative impact to the planet. So and also the environment degradation in the process of social and economic is also endangering the very systems on which our future development. So the unsustainable consumption and production is the real problem is the problem of it. So in this unsustainable consumption and production patterns are increasing the water and air pollution, the waste generation, the land and forest degradation, and also the use of chemical substances. So food waste is the topic that I wanted to do. Like food waste is one of the unsustainable consumption and production because the global food waste is not just about the consumers creating waste, but it all begins at the start of the food production process, which includes the growing crops, livestock, and even during the manufacturing process. And the problematic issues is like all the foods ended up rotting in the bins of consumers and retailers, and then children eat too much, like consume too much and overweight and obese, and some environmental issues that cause the water and the degradation of the environment and the environmental aspects and the emissions of the greenhouse gas. So, what are the causes of food waste? It is usually lack of appropriate planning and purchase and preparation of too much food, and also the errors in industrial processing and keeping up with food safety policies, like all the rejected products are disposed, like they don't want to sell it anymore, and then they just straight away um, throw it away. And then the concept approach for my design is organic recycling, which is the process of organic waste management, where organic waste are recycled or converted into a useful matter by different recycling methods. So organic waste includes the organic matters that we can usually found in our daily life, like all the fruits, vegetables, and all those stuffs. And then why is organic recycling is sustainable and is good, because most of the organic waste item not all of, excuse me, because most of the organic waste items are actually ended up in landfills. So when the organic waste are put in the landfills, there's a bacteria that will break down the waste and creates a thing called methane. So methane is very harmful to the environment, which it will produce the greenhouse gas. Yeah, so it's try to like we try to the organic recycling is also try to prevent the organic waste goes to the landfills as well. So what are the advantage of organic recycling? Itself save sources, like it can save sources as compost, can be used as a biofertilizer, and avoid the use of other chemical fertilizer, which is very harmful to the soil, like it can cause soil erosion. And then the most important thing is it can reduce the pollution in the air, water, and the land as well. And also it introduced a new popular concepts like cleaner production, zero waste policy, and a sustainability and bio-based circular economy. And then lastly, like the most important one is people will be more aware of the importance of sustainability in consumption and production of food. So to do this organic recycling, there's few methods that you can do, but this method I chose is composting, which is the most I think which is the most suitable one for like like us individuals. We can do it at home. So it's basically to decompose all the organic waste. Yeah, like you accumulate all the waste together and then you put it in a bucket and then you let the decomposition work. Yeah. So it's yeah. So there's a different composting systems ranging from simple and low cost mean composting to high technical high cost reactor systems. This like fully depends on your capability. And the compost bins are most suitable for use in houses as well, so like everyone can do it at home. Yeah, so that's for my presentation. Thank you.